Hi friends, welcome to NAVAMI Trends. Today our topic is potato biscuits with veg topping. It is a very easy evening snack recipe without fire. The snack recipe is tasty and also healthy. So why are we waiting? Let's begin. Ingredients: brine potato biscuits, 2 chopped onions, 2 chopped tomatoes, 1 chopped cucumber, 3 grated carrots, 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons fresh cream, 1 tablespoon green chilli sauce, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise, salt as per your taste, pepper as per your spice, mixing bowl and a spoon. So first take the mixing bowl and add all the veggies one by one and mix all well. Now add salt, tomato ketchup, fresh cream, chili sauce, mayonnaise and pepper and mix all thoroughly. You can also add cheese, it is optional. So next, take the potato biscuits and put the veg topping on top of the biscuits. You can also put the veg topping on Monaco biscuits. If you want, you can put another biscuit on top of the biscuit which you kept the veg topping. So our potato biscuits with veg topping is ready.